Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this sepia preset filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. If you search for sepia preset filter on Instagram, there are many filters, but this one I like. So to get this one, you can visit the creator profile. Camelia is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery, and this is the filter, new sepia. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.